Start your career in London with Cambric Apartments student accommodation as your new home. This property offers a range of private and shared apartments, providing the warmth of living with a friend and the solace of personal space. Each apartment boasts spacious rooms, well illuminated and ventilated through ample windows. Imagine waking up to the sun's rays streaming through the curtains, accompanied by the gentle ring of your alarm clock on the side table, urging you to start your day. Begin your morning routine with a refreshing shower in your private bathroom and select your power outfit from neatly folded clothes in the wardrobe. In the kitchen, you have a microwave and induction cooktop, perfect for baking a cake or recreating delectable dishes from your mom's recipes. Additionally, with London Metropolitan University and Arden University nearby, this residence is a student favorite. The neighborhood, bustling with young energy near White Swan and Black Sheep Coffee, creates a vibrant atmosphere. If you wish to explore farther places, buses are easily accessible from nearby bus stops. Start your professional journey by booking Cambric Apartments for your stay with us at amberstudent.com.